Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be installing some all-weather laser cut fit floor mats from my friends over at Issy Auto. This is for my 2020 Ford F150 XLT. We've got mats for the front and passenger side, as well as for the back cab. It's very easy and straight to the point installation, so let's go. So just coming from factory, these guys obviously do come with these, carpet floor mats attached to little buttons there. So we're going to be taking these, we're going to be removing these, and we're going to be replacing them with the floor mats that we got sent. Now, when you go to install the driver's side, on the floor of the driver's side, you can see here, I'll undo one and show you guys. So see how there's this little button right here that was basically plugged into the carpet floor mats that came with it. So when you slide this guy over the top, this part right here is larger than right here. So you feed in, see it's just snapped into place, the button on the bottom, and then it slides, and now it's not going to come up. Now this has been buttoned in here as well. So as you guys can see, this is a super nice fit. When you close the door, it won't affect this at all, and it follows the edge super well. These guys have definitely been, measured and lasered to fit exactly the truck. Now, a reason that this could be super practical is, say that, you don't even necessarily use these every time. For the most part, you keep these in here, but you're like me and you like to do hunting, fishing, camping, stuff outside where you get your shoes dirty and whatnot. You could simply just put these in for your weekend out at the lake or something like that, and then when it's time to clean them, you can literally just pull them off. It's got this hard, rigid material, and you could just hose it and, everything would come right off. So it would also be extremely easy to clean. Okay, so we got the back one installed. I'll show you guys what that looks like. As you can see, complete and total coverage of the back seat of your car, or of your truck rather. This little bin right here that's underneath your back seats, this guy has a little lip that goes up and underneath that, so this thing isn't going to slide forward or back. Follows the contour and the edges of everything that it's supposed to very nicely. When I say total coverage, guys, this is complete and total coverage. You could have dogs back here. You could have, something that maybe you didn't want to put in the bed, but you wanted to put back here, but you were nervous that it would scratch or rip or something like that, your fabric. This is complete and total coverage. You can already tell this is going to be extremely easy to clean. It's like a plasticky rubber material. So dirt, mud, anything like that, just hose it off or just take it off. It's pretty lightweight, and then you could just easily just shake it off. Very nice. And I'll show you guys also what it looks like with the seats down as well, to show you that there's no issues at all with, the seats folding down or anything like that. Very cool. We'll do one more once over. I'll just show you guys all of it installed. So this is what this one looks like. Very nicely done over there. And then I'll open up this back door right here so you guys can just see. See, I've got this box back here. It's only cardboard, so it wouldn't really hurt my truck, but still, I have no problems, no issues, no worries with putting anything on the floor back here now. I've got a very large dog, so now I don't have to worry about him scratching up my seats or anything like that. All in all, very impressed with these mats. All right, guys, there you have it. That is everything. Really impressed, especially for the price, with how well these floor mats fit. A lot of times off of eBay or Amazon, you will order something that says it fits your vehicle, and then you get it and you realize that it's just really a one-size-fits-all, and that is definitely not the case for this product. So super appreciative. Thank you so much to Issy Auto for sending me these products. This is not the first time I've partnered with them, so I really appreciate them and all their support of my channel. And thank you to you guys as well who have been supporting my channel as well. We'll catch you guys on the next video.